Hello, welcome back. I bought this little 4-inch vice bender. Originally, well, what I wanted was a 6-inch one, but they were out of stock, and so I thought I'd chance it on a 4-inch one. I've seen 4-inch and 6-inch ones being used by other people, so I was quite happy to buy this, but you know, that's what I've got. So I'm going to open it up. It did come in a bigger box with a lot of packing and stuff, and a little catalogue thing, but I didn't think you'd be interested in watching that being opened. So I haven't seen what it is yet. See, comes with a proper VAT invoice as well. There it is. I don't suppose you can see that through the bag. Well, that cut it well, didn't it? That's what sharp, that blade. Oh dear. Yeah, coated in oil, so it's not going to be rusty as such. And we can see it on my glasses slipping from my head. Right, that's the blade. Comes with like, I don't know what you call them, say fingers, I don't know what you call them. So you've got a longish one there, a smaller one, so I guess that's 2-inch. Then they're inch there, so you can just change them. Yeah, undo them. There's not a lot to them. There's magnets on the back and magnets on there, and so that's about it. So I'm going to put them in a vise. My big vise isn't bolted down, so just for this I'm going to try my little vise and just see what we can do with it. You never know. Once I get all the oil off my hand, I better turn the camera on. Right, I've changed the vise. Put a bigger vise on and bolt it to the bench. These just slot in like that. They stick on with the magnets on the back. Now I have been trying about this bent bit of metal. I've got a sort of couple of successful bends like there and sort of there, but the trouble is this is a bent bit of metal, and it's sort of fighting against itself, if you know what I mean. And I thought, well, it's no good trying to show that on the camera because you obviously won't understand. So I've got this little bracket. This is what 1 mil thick. It's not the strongest, you know. So, but it's just to give you an idea of what it does. Hopefully it'll bend it. You'll be able to see what it does. You can probably do this with your hand, but not as straight. And that puts your bend in it, like that. I mean, it's not very good metal to sort of show, but I mean, you wouldn't be able to bend that with a hand, sort of thing. Or you'd bend it straight, I suppose, but you wouldn't be able to bend it much more. You know what I mean? But I will be honest with you, if you want to see somebody using this, doing a decent job, I will watch Craig from the channel called The Doghouse. He's also on the older stuff from, what's the other channel? On Your Bike. But The Doghouse is his new channel, and he builds mainly like Royal Enfields and stuff like that. Choppers, and that's all he uses, one of these to bend all his metal. So you want to see, like I say, check him out if you want to see how he's working properly at the Doghouse. Let him know you come from my channel. You give him a sort of mention, so if you haven't seen him before, quite an interesting channel. But like I say, these are, as I get the hang of them, and we do more and more stuff towards the projects, yeah, we'll be able to see how it goes. But at the moment I'm in the middle of this, so you can see I've got the grinders and stuff lined up. I'm in the middle of getting ready for the other workshop to move into that as well, so we can spread the stuff out. Well, that's the plan anyway. Anyway, I hope that makes sense, and all the rest. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, and subscribe would be good. And I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Just thought I'd try one more bend in it just to show you that it's not bent the way the metal was. I think once you get the hang of it, they have a bloody handy tool. I didn't put it in the straw, did I? So we've made that now. Yeah. And I dare say you can bend it there somewhere and do something else with it. Fitting that way. Fitting that way? Yeah, fitting that way. We don't care. We'll just bend it anyway and just see. Let's see what it does. There you go. That's a special bracket for something, God knows what. But if you like that sort of stuff, like I said, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.